Jungkook. It's the perfect timing, Jungkook. Jungkook stood in the middle of the bustling college courtyard, his hands trembling as he clutched the small velvet box in his pocket. His heart pounded violently against his ribcage. Today, he was the day. Today, he would confess his feeling to Kim Dong, the college's most adorable diva. Dong was everything Jungkook isn't. Dong is bold, confident, and surrounded by a glittering circle of friends who worshipped the ground he walked on. His presence alone could turn heads, and his laughter was like a music to everyone's ear. Jungkook had met him from afar for years, collecting every little glances and silent wishes. But today he decided to step out of the shadow and take a chance. As Theong and his friends laughed by the fountain in their own world of charm and elegance, Jungkook took a deep breath, gathering his courage and walked toward them. The moment he stopped in front of Theong, all eyes turned to him. Theong raised an eyebrow, slightly amused by the sudden interruption. Jungkook's knees hit the ground and murmuring erupted through the crowd. He looked up, his dewy eyes filled with pure sincerity, and with a deep breath he spoke. Jungkook, Theong, I really like you. Will you go out with me? For a second, there was silence. Then laughter erupted. Theong's friends burst into laughter, their mocking voices echoing across the campus. Oh my god, is this serious? One of them whispered. A nerd like him with Kim Theong. What a joke. He really thought he stood a chance. Another scoffed, clutching their stomach while laughing. What does he think? Kim Theong, the diva, will give him a chance? The girl high-fived to another one, and the whole group laughed. Jungkook's face burned with humiliation, his heart sinking with every cruel word. Theong, instead of stopping them, smirked and crossed his arms, eyeing Jungkook with an amused expression. You seriously thought you could match my standard? I don't even know your name. His voice lessened with arrogance. Jungkook looked up, his eyes hopeful. I am Jungkook, Jeon Jungkook. Theong chuckled, shaking his head. Look at yourself, Jungkook. Do you really think someone like you is worthy of someone like me? Jungkook felt his throat tightening, his fingers clutched into fist as his vision blurred with tears. The laughter around him only grew louder, ringing in his ears like a cruel melody. He had never felt so small. I don't even feel sorry to break your bubble. I can't go out with a nerd. Jungkook swallowed the lump in his throat, fighting back the tears threatening to fall. He had taken a chance on love, but all he had gained was heartbreak and humiliation. Jungkook felt humiliated as the laughter around him grew louder. His heart, which had been racing with excitement just a moment ago, now felt like it was being crushed. Did he really think he had a chance? One of Theong's friends sobbed, wiping tears of laughter from their eyes. This is so pathetic. A loser like him confesses to Theong. I can't breathe. Another choked out between giggles. God, just look at him, someone said, pointing at Jungkook. Missy her oversized clothes. He looked like he crawled out of dumpster. Theong watched Jungkook's trembling finger, let out an exaggerated sigh, and shook his head. Honestly, Jungkook, this is embarrassing for you. Did you actually think you were even close to my lung? Jungkook's hand clenched into fist, his nails sticking into his palm as he bit his lip, trying to keep the tears from falling. Theong took a step closer, towering over him with a smirk. I mean, come on. What do you even have to offer? A boring, quiet guy with no look, no money, no social skills. You can't even speak properly without stuttering. You don't belong anywhere near me. His friends repeated his words, nodding in agony. He probably thought this was some kind of romance movie. A friend said, Newsflash, Jungkook, you are not the main character. You are the pathetic extra character that nobody will remember. He is so desperate. Like, just looking at him makes me cringe. Maybe he thought biting him would make us say yes. Another mocked. Tom crossed his arms, tilting in head. If you really want to impress someone like me, Jungkook, start by fixing yourself. Actually, he chuckled. Never mind, even if you spend years trying, you won't. Still, never reach my level. Jungkook felt like he couldn't breathe. The world around him spinning as the laughter stabbed his heart over and over again. His vision blurred for years. He had admired Tong, every little thing about him, but standing here, crushed under their cruel words, he realized how foolish he had been. Slowly, shakily, he caught on his head, his face pale, and his eyes filled with unshed tears. Tong smirked one last time. Next time, Jungkook, save yourself from the humiliation. Don't waste your time on me, because I am never going to get impressed by a nerd like you. And with that, he turned away, his friends still laughing as they walked off, leaving Jungkook standing alone in the middle of the campus, broken, humiliated, and utterly shattered. Jungkook's hand trembled as he watched Thong run away, his heart screaming at him not to let this moment slip away. Gathering every ounce of courage left in him, he reached out and grabbed Thong's wrist. Jungkook, Thong, please. Jungkook's voice was desperate, his eyes pleading, just give me a chance to prove myself. Thong turned around, his face darkened with irritation. With a sharp jerk, he yanked his hand free and showed Jungkook back. Thong, are you serious right now? Thong scoffed with annoyance. I already said no. Do you not get it? His voice was laced with irritation, but there was also amusement in his eyes. Jungkook stumbled slightly but quickly steadying himself. I can prove I am worthy of you, Thong. Just one chance, that's all I ask. He pleaded. Thong rolled his eyes, letting out a dramatic sigh. Prove yourself to me. He chuckled mockingly. Jungkook, there's nothing you could possibly do that would make me look at you differently. So stop embarrassing yourself. You're a poor guy. I don't want to embarrass myself more by dating you. You have no money. You have already tried. Don't try again. Because I am clearing it today. I will not clear once again. Next time, if you approach me, I don't know what will I do because I don't want you near me. I don't want my friends to laugh at me, and I also don't want you to embarrass yourself. So it's better if you stop running after me. It will get you nowhere. Our lives are opposite. We can never match. Without another glance, Thong turned on his heel and walked toward the main building, his friends following him. Jungkook stood there, his shoulder falling as he watched Thong disappear into the crowd. A small pout formed on his lips. His heart still refused to accept rejection. He wasn't ready to give up just yet. Jungkook walked home with heavy step. He still is hurt from the humiliation he had faced in college. The laughter, the insult, Thong's cold word, they echoed in his mind like a cruel melody, making his heart shake with every step. But all that faded when he entered in a small, dim-lit home and saw his mother laying on the bed, her weak body hit with violent cough. A sharp pang of fear shot through him. Jungkook, Mom, he whispered, running to her side. His mother, pale and weak, managed to a small smile. Jungkook, you're home? She said, her voice barely above a whisper. Jungkook swallowed hard. He knew she was sick, very sick. The doctor had already warned him. She will leave them soon. Jungkook knows and ate. She still smiles at him, as if nothing was wrong. Did you eat today? She asked softly, brushing his hair back with trembling fingers. Jungkook could only nod, his throat too tight to speak. The front door opened and his father, exhausted and covered with grease from his mechanic job, stepped inside. There were dark circles under his eyes and his hands were rough and calloused from years of hard work. He was a man who barely made ends meet, struggling every single day just to give Jungkook a chance of better life. But tonight there was something different about him. Dad, Jungkook, I heard what happened today at college. Shankuk froze, his heart turning loudly in anticipation. You? You went to embarrass Joseph like that, kneeling in front of the rich brat, being, making him to accept you? His father's voice rose, lessened with frustration and disappointment. Do you know how humiliating that is? Do you know how hard I work every day just to give you a future, and you go throwing yourself at someone who doesn't even respect you? Shankuk lowered his head, ashamed. Dad, you should be focusing on your studies, on becoming strong, not chasing after people who think they are better than you. His father's hand trembled as he pointed at him. Do you think love will put food on the table? Do you think Dong or his rich friends will care when you have nothing? Jungkook bit his lip, lowering his gaze. He knew his father was right. He had spent so much time admiring Dong, dreaming of a life where he could stand beside him. But in reality, he was nothing to Dong, just another person to laugh at. His father exhaled sharply, sting, running a hand through his hair. Shankuk, we don't have the luxury to waste time on foolish things. Your mother, she won't be with us for long. His voice cracked slightly, but he quickly covered it up. I need you to be strong. I need you to become something for us, for her. Shankuk breathed. His gaze shifted to his mother, who was watching silently, sadness in her tired eyes. Tears fell from both of their eyes. His mom felt bad for him, and Jungkook felt bad for doing this and make them ashamed on his act, embarrass himself and his parents. His father was right. Father, knock some senses in your head, Jungkook. That boy is rich brat, and you are nothing. You can't even stand to become the maid of his house. I beg you to stop running after someone who you can't get. Instead, focus on the future. Money is everything, Jungkook. We don't have them now, and that's why I can't put your mother in the best hospital. Give her the good treatment. I have to watch her die, Jungkook. Do you want the same to happen with your family too? If yes, then go run after that rich brat. With that, his father left the house. One thing is clear: this house isn't having the food today. The next day, Shankuk walked into the dance studio, his heart pounding against his ribs. He knew this was probably his last chance, his last attempt to reach Dong before he finally let go. He knows Dong every moves, what he does, where he goes, and what does he likes. He likes Dong little too much than he says. Inside the hall, the soft melody of the classic music playing in the background. Dong was practicing ballet with his partner, his movement graceful, almost ethereal. The way he moved effortlessly, elegant, made Shankuk breathless. He looked at Dong in amusement, his wide eyes. For a moment, he hesitated, but then he stepped forward. Shankuk, Dong. The music didn't stop, but Dong's eyes went toward him briefly before he turned it away, continuing his routine as he, Jungkook, wasn't even there. Jungkook swallowed hard and took another step. Dong, will you go out with me? This time, the music wasn't enough to feed the laughter that erupted around him. Oh my god, he's still trying? Dong's friends started whispering. Does he not get tired of embarrassing himself? I don't think he have any dignity. That's why he comes again and again to embarrass himself more and more. What about his parents? Wouldn't they feel embarrassed if they see him doing this? I heard his dad purely make ends. And look at him, what is he doing? He is running after a boy who can never say yes to him. Jungkook knows he is poor, but was it really needed to remind him now? Dong's partner, a tall, sharp fisher guy with a cocky smirk, turned it around dramatically, throwing a hand over his chest. Dong, if you're really looking for someone, why not date me instead? He said, flashing a smile. I mean, let's be real. I'm way better than him. More laughter followed. Dong let out a deep sigh, finally coming to a stop. He placed a hand on his hips, tilting his head as he huffed in irritation. Taeyong started rubbing his temple as he finally turned to face Jungkook. Seeing the hopeful look in Jungkook's eyes is making him weak. He didn't hate Jungkook, but the boy was making a fool of himself over and over again. And for what? A rejection? That was again going to happen. If we don't end this now, Jungkook will just keep coming back, embarrassing himself more. Fell silent, the laughter stopped. Jungkook blinked in shock. For fine? He was barely able to believe his ears. Taeyong, I will date you, he said, then his lips curled into a sly smile. If you can prove how strong you are. Jungkook straightened it up. He wanted to prove himself. I will. Just tell me how. Taeyong, I don't like weak people, Jungkook. If you want me, you need to show me. You are not pathetic. You need to show me you can fight. Jungkook gulped, but he nodded. Okay, I will do it. Taeyong tilted his head slightly. Good. Then you will fight in the college ring against my boyfriend. Jungkook breathed in. The room exploded with gasps and murmurs. Wait, against Jaehyun? Someone whispered in shock. Taeyong's boyfriend? The boxing champion? Jungkook felt his blood run cold. He knew exactly who Jaehyun is. Taeyong's boyfriend, the undefeated king of the college boxing ring. Strong, ruthless, powerful. Will Jungkook be able to fight him? Jungkook stood froze. His mind clouded with too many thoughts at once. The words Taeyong's boyfriend echoed in his ear, hitting him harder than any punch ever could. So, all this time, he was just making fool out of himself. Had he been chasing after someone who was already taken? Someone who never ever considered him as an option. His chest felt the pain sinking deep, but he just wanted one chance. Taeyong watched him, his arms crossed, a smug smirk on his lips. He liked seeing Jungkook hesitate, liking watching the light in his eyes fade with the realization he never had a chance. This was exactly what he wanted, to make Jungkook step back on his own, to make him realize how ridiculous his feelings were. He was so sure Jungkook would finally give up, but then Jungkook closed his eyes shut. I accept. Taeyong's smirk dropped. What? Jungkook lifted his head. He doesn't look like the same shy boy. He looks confident. I will fight him. If that's what it takes, then I will do it. The students started murmuring. Is he serious? Jungkook is dead. Jaehyun is the best in the ring. Why are you angry? Does he have a death wish? But Jungkook didn't care. He was already looking at Taeyong, waiting for his response. Taeyong blinked, caught off guard. He never expected this. He thought Jungkook would run away, humiliated, just like Taeyong had planned. But instead, he accepted the challenge without a second thought. Taeyong felt an unfamiliar feeling. He quickly shook it off and smiled again, masking his surprise. Alright then, let's see if you survive. Jungkook took a deep breath, his heart pounding as he looked straight into Taeyong's eyes. If I win, will you date me? Taeyong hesitated for the first time since the whole conversation started. He actually hesitated. He wasn't expecting this. He thought Jungkook would back off, but now Jungkook was asking for something more. Jungkook felt everyone's eyes on him, waiting for his answer. His pride would let him back down, so he nodded. Fine, if you win, I will date you. Jungkook's face lit up instantly. His shyness was completely replaced by joy, his eyes sparkling. He smiled his biggest smile, and before Taeyong could react, Jungkook leaned in, placing a quick kiss on Taeyong's cheek. Gasp echoes through the room. Taeyong, eyes widened in shock, his body freezing on the spot. Jungkook, on the other hand, didn't wait for a reaction. With a bright laugh, he turned it on his heel and ran away, practically bouncing on his feet like an excited kid. Jungkook, I will see you in the ring, Taeyong. He waved as he disappeared out of the door. Taeyong stood there, his heart did a flip inside his chest. What the hell just happened? His fingers pressed against his cheek. The warmth of Jungkook's lips still lingered there. His heart was beating too fast. too loud, loud enough he could hear it in his ears. And for the first time ever, Kim Dong was speechless. Jungkook went home that evening with brightest smile on his face. He locked himself in the small room, rolling on the old mat on the floor in happiness. Before starting his training, he had no experience in boxing, none at all. But he wasn't going to let that stop him. He punched the air, mimicking the moves he had seen fighters do. But it wasn't enough. He needed real practice. For the next 2 days, he did whatever he could. He ran a lap around his neighborhood to build stamina, did push-ups until his arms shook, and even watched online videos on how to throw proper punches. He knew it wasn't nearly enough, but he had no other choice. On the second night, as he was throwing sloppy punches on the pillow tied to the wall, his father walked in. "Father, Jungkook?" Jungkook rose, turning around breathlessly. His father stood by the door, looking at him with tired but kind eyes. "What are you doing, son?" his father asked, stepping inside. Jungkook wiped the sweat off his forehead and forced a small smile. "Just trying to become stronger?" His father nodded slowly, observing the changes in his usually quiet son. Jungkook had always been the shy one, the boy who never picked fight, who never stood up for himself. Seeing him like this made his heart swell with pride. His father patted his shoulder. "I'm proud of you. It's good to see you stepping out of your shell." Jungkook's heart clenched at those words. His father had no idea he was really doing this for. This wasn't about stepping out of shell. This was about proving himself to Dong. This was about winning Dong. And Jungkook was willing to do anything for that. The day of the match arrived. The college boxing ring was filled with students eager to witness the fight. They were excited, laughter, and whispers about Jungkook's match. Inside the ring, Shine was already warming up, rolling his shoulder and cracking his knuckles. His friends surrounded him, hyping him up. And one, "Make sure to teach that loser a lesson," one of them said. "Friend 2, yeah, how dare he even think he has a chance with Dong?" Cheyenne smirked, adjusting his boxing gloves. "Relax, he is just some unexperienced kid. I will knock him down with 2 punches, maybe even more." His friends laughed, clearly enjoying the thought of Jungkook getting humiliated in front of entire college. Meanwhile, Dong stood 2 feet away from the ring, arms crossed as he watched everything unfold. He wasn't sure what he was expecting, but a part of him wondered if Jungkook would ever show up. Would he back down? Would he run away? Dong told himself he didn't care. But then the door of the gym opened, and in walked John Jungkook. And something in Dong's chest fluttered. Dong let out a frustrated sigh. Rubbing his temple, he knew Jaehyun will knock Jungkook down in seconds. He didn't want this to happen because he was scared for Jungkook. But if Jungkook lost in front of everyone, maybe then he would finally disappear. Maybe then he would finally understand that he and Dong were never meant to be. But to Dong's annoyance, Jungkook didn't seem the least bit nervous. In fact, he was smiling. The moment he entered the gym, there was confidence in his step. He walked straight toward the ring, his eyes locked onto Jaehyun, as if he wasn't afraid at all. Dong frowned. What the hell is he so happy about? Jungkook clambered into the ring, standing in front of Jaehyun. Without hesitation, he grabbed the hem of his shirt and pulled it over his head, tossing it to the side. Gasp echoed around the gym. Dong's eyes widened slightly. For someone so quiet, so shy, Jungkook's body was unexpectedly toned. His arms weren't huge, but they were perfect. His hands not as sharp as Jaehyun's, but still impressive. He wasn't a fighter, but he wasn't weak either. Dong quickly shook his head, scolding himself for even noticing. Jungkook wore the boxing gloves, securing them tightly. His eyes went toward Dong, For just a moment, just long enough to send message. I'm doing this for you. Tiong looked away annoyed. Giant chuckled, cracking his knuckles. You ready to get knocked out, loser? Jungkook just smiled. We will see. The referee stepped forward, signaling the start of the match. The bell rang and the fight began. Giant smirked at the moment the bell rang. He didn't even take Jungkook seriously, and just as he promised, two punches. The first one landed straight to Jungkook's jaw, making his head snap to the side. The second one slammed into his stomach, knocking the air out of him. Jungkook stumbled, cocking as he fell on his knees. His vision blurred for a second, but he clenched his fist and forced himself back up. Cass fell in the room. Tong watched with a frown, arm crossed. He should have been satisfied. This was what he wanted Jungkook to stop, to disappear. So why did his chest feel hurt? Jungkook barely got into his position before Jaehyun hit him again, this time harder. Jungkook collapsed onto the mat, blood dripping from his nose. Jungkook stayed down. Someone whispered in the crowd, but Jungkook, he smiled. He turned his head straight to at Taeyong, smiling weakly, and then, with shaky arms, he pushed himself up again. Jaehyun chuckled darkly. Still not going to back down? Cook didn't answer. His legs wobbled as he rested on his feet once more. Jaehyun smiled widening. He had done playing around. This time he didn't just knock Jungkook down. He broke him. Punches after punch. Blow after blow. Jaehyun unleashed his full strength. Jungkook tried to block, but his body was already too weak. Blood beating the mat. His vision blurring with every hit. Tong's fingers clenched at his sleeves. The crowd began murmuring. Jaehyun finally delivered the brutal hit to Jungkook's ribs, sending him crashing down. It was over. The referee was about to announce the winner when Jungkook moved weakly, painfully. He staggered to his feet, his entire body screaming pain, but he didn't care. With all the strength he had left, he landed a weak, purely there punch on Jaehyun's jaw. Jaehyun stood still, shocked, and then his smile turned into something cruel. Jaehyun, you just don't know when to quit, he murmured before delivering the final, deadly blow. Jungkook didn't get up after that. Blood pooling beneath him. The gym fell into complete silence. Jaehyun, stop! You're going to kill him! Someone yelled, running forward. More people jumped into the ring, pulling Jaehyun away. But it was too late. Jungkook lay motionless on the mat, barely breathing. His body was bruised, bloodied, completely shattered. And just like that, everyone realized that Jungkook was on the verge of dying.